So I was out with my camera the other day having a photo walk, hoping to get a few nice photos of birds, and then all of a sudden Cyril the squirrel came crashing through the branches to see what I was up to. So I managed to take quite a few photos of him as he was climbing around and leaping from branch to branch, and this is the photo that I settled on. I thought it might make a nice drawing. Although it's not the best composition in the world, I thought that maybe if I kind of decluttered it a little bit, removed some of the branches, and didn't have the scene looking quite so busy, it might make for a nice drawing. So that's what I decided to do. I thought this would probably make a nice change from drawing birds anyway. We've got some different textures to go at here. In fact, we've got about 3 different types of fur textures on the squirrel. We've got the short, stubbly fur on the head. We've got the slightly longer fur on the back and the main part of the body. And then the underside, we've got that very soft, almost like cat hair, Persian cat hair style fur underneath. And then we've got the really fluffy tail there. So we've got several different textures of fur there to have a go at. Now this is just a brief overview of the drawing. The full tutorial will be over on my Patreon channel, where I talk a lot more in depth about how to draw fur and some of the techniques that I used. Well, not some of them, all of the techniques in fact that I used to get all of the different textures of fur in this one. So the materials that I'm using for this one are my usual Daler Rowney smooth heavyweight cartridge paper. It's slightly smaller than an A4. I've just trimmed this down a little bit to suit the size of the photo. And I'm using a selection of mechanical pencils, wood case pencils, and just generally the usual kit, erasers, blenders, that kind of thing. So if this is something you'd like to draw along with and learn how to draw fur like this, like I say, this is a full tutorial over on my Patreon channel, and I'll leave links to Patreon in the end screen cards and in the description below. It only costs £4 a month to join, and you get access to thousands, literally thousands of videos over there on my Patreon channel. There's graphite landscape drawing, wildlife drawing, watercolours, coloured pencil, ink drawings, all sorts over there for you. And for all different levels as well, for beginners, intermediates and advanced. There's a huge back catalogue of all sorts of different art projects for you there. So if you just want to go along over to Patreon, it won't cost you anything, just have a look. You can click on the collections page, have a scroll through, and you'll see a thumbnail of all of the different projects there and all of the different categories for beginners and the drawing tips section and all of that. I'm sure you'll find something there that you like and it'll be helpful to you. And not only that, you can access the community page as well, share your artwork with the community, get comments and feedback from the other members there. It's a great place to be. People are making friends over there, sharing their artwork and the reference photos and having a chat and helping each other out. I'm sure you'll really like it over there. Okay, so thanks very much for watching everyone. Really would appreciate a thumbs up on the video. It really does help the channel out. Leave a comment as well. I always read your comments and try to reply as many of them as I can. Okay, so take care everyone, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.